To add PayPal credit to Google Pay, start by ensuring you have a PayPal account and a Google Pay account. If you do not have these accounts, create them by going to the respective websites or downloading the apps. Next, open the Google Pay app on your device and navigate to the Payment Methods section. This is usually found in the Settings or Profile section of the app. In the Payment Methods section, click on the Add Payment Method option and select PayPal as the payment method you want to add. You will be redirected to the PayPal website where you will be prompted to log into your PayPal account. After logging into your PayPal account, you will be asked to link your PayPal account to Google Pay. Review the terms and conditions. Then click on the Agree and Link button to proceed. Once your PayPal account is linked to Google Pay, you will be able to add your PayPal credit as a payment method. To do this, go back to the Payment Methods section in Google Pay and select PayPal credit as the payment method you want to use. You will then be prompted to enter the required information, such as your PayPal credit account details and billing address. Enter the information carefully and click on the Save button to add PayPal credit as a payment method. With PayPal credit added to Google Pay, you can now use it to make purchases online or in-store at merchants that accept Google Pay. Simply select PayPal credit as the payment method at checkout, and the transaction will be charged to your PayPal credit account. It is essential to note that to use PayPal credit on Google Pay, you must have a PayPal credit account and your PayPal account must be verified. Additionally, make sure you understand the terms and conditions of using PayPal credit, including the interest rates and fees associated with it. By following these steps, you can easily add PayPal credit to Google Pay and enjoy the convenience of making payments using your PayPal credit account.